Uy, titigan mo to, ang ganda. Kaso wala akong pera.
Mag-ipon ka kasi para may pera ka.
Ayoko nga.
Ba't kaya kung kailan tayo tumatanda saka tayo walang pera? What if magnakulan tayo sa bangko?
Hoy, baliw. Parang may trip nung tayo, ikaw lang.
Speaking of bangko, guys, alam niyo ba yung credit card? What if kumuha tayo nun? Total, mawala kayong pera eh.
Alam mo requirements?
Yun lang, hindi.
Tamo, nagsasuggest ka, di mo pala alam.
Magbalas tayo!
Wait, may alam ako.
Parang ito maganda. Ito maganda, oh. Wait lang. Ito, sige na nga. Panood na sa kanila.
Uy, pumunta kayo dito, panoorin natin to.
Tingin, 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 tingin.
Chapter 12. What are the 5 C's of credit? Welcome to our video on the 5 C's of credit. Today, we'll explain what these 5 key factors are and how they help lenders assess credit worthiness. The 5 C's of credit are crucial criteria that lenders use to evaluate a borrower's ability to repay a loan. They provide a comprehensive view of a borrower's financial health and reliability. Character. This refers to the borrower's credit history and reputation. Lenders assess character by reviewing past credit behavior, including payment history and overall trustworthiness. A strong track record of timely payments and responsible credit use can positively impact your application. Capacity. This measures the borrower's ability to repay the loan based on their income and existing debt. Lenders look at your debt-to-income ratio, which compares your monthly debt payments to your gross monthly income. A lower ratio indicates better financial health and a higher capacity to handle additional debt. Capital. This refers to the borrower's financial assets or net worth. Lenders evaluate your savings, investments, and overall financial stability to determine if you have enough capital to support loan repayments. A higher capital base suggests a lower risk for lenders. Collateral is the asset pledged to secure the loan. If you default, the lender can claim the collateral to recover their losses. Common examples include real estate for a mortgage or a vehicle for an auto loan. Offering valuable collateral can improve your chances of securing a loan. Conditions. This involves the terms of the loan and the broader economic environment. Lenders consider the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment terms, as well as external factors like economic conditions and industry trends. Favorable conditions can enhance the loan's appeal and impact lending decisions. Understanding the 5 C's of credit helps you prepare for loan applications and manage your financial health effectively. By focusing on these factors, you can improve your creditworthiness and increase your chances of securing favorable loan terms.
Ay, ganun pala yun? Tara, kuha!
Huwag ka na. Sa character pa lang, reject ka na eh. Snitch ka sa bagong pagkukuhaan natin. Hindi ka marunong magbayad ng utang.
Grabe ka sa akin. Kasalanan ko bang wala akong pera?
Ako na lang kukuha.
Nakikiramay ako sa pagkuhanan mo.
Mataas din ng babae. Mas maganda.
Hi! Look what I bought!
Saan galing yan?
Dami niya na. Paano ka nakabili ng ganyang karami?
Yaman talaga. Kupit siguro yan sa kita nila.
Oh,
Tingin nga kami.
credit card ko, 12K limit. Bilhin nyo naman gusto nyo bilhin. Mga ingkitero pa naman kayo. Treat ko na.
Na, ganda sa. Paano siya nakakuha?
Kumukuha na sila sa bangko dati pa din.
Oo, lago na nga rin yung business nila eh. Hindi mo, may mga kotse at motor na sila.
Tinatanong mo pa, nandito ka na nga sa bahay ng tao. You see how big it is? We even took anak.
Ako lang ba? You guys too.
Sa kanya ka na lang mangutang. Kahit di mo na bayaran, okay lang sa kanya.
Sinasabi mo pala, naisip ko na.
By the way guys, ubusin nyo na yan kasi baka ma-expire yung maturity date nyo.
Inuri ka talaga ng langit.
Lang, hulog ng langit yun, di ba? Tara na nga, sabi niya waldasin na raw ito eh.
Ano kayo lang? Sama ako. Ano kayo, chicks?
Sino may hawak ng card? Puntayin niyo yan ha.
Kaya na, tara na!